out in their MiG-23U trainers. Each is capable of over Mach 2, and the MiG-23U was one of the most common combat trainers in the Soviet frontal aviation group. They take off in pairs down a runway whose size matches the vastness of the country. Climbing for altitude, pupils an 18A air-to-air missile with an infrared homing head. Between them, the aircraft will carry several hundred 57mm rockets, which can be fired in any kind of weather, day or night. Arriving over the target, Kachuk and his men roll over into dive attacks, and taking careful aim, fire their salvos of supersonic rockets. Frontal aviation probably goes through more rockets in a year than the rest of the world's air forces combined. Some of the aircraft are carrying bombs, and others cluster dispensers.